Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to our how to install Unity video. Let's go for it. First, we go in the browser and type store.unity.com. There we will find two options, the team and the individual options. There are three choices in the team option, the Plus, Pro and the Enterprise version, which got different fees for its purposes. We click on individual options. There are another two options for students and personal. We choose the personal, which allow us using Unity for free. When we hit the Get Started button, we get in the next page and we'll find another link which named Instruction for Linux. Click on the link. So when we get in the instruction page, we scroll down till the Debian or Ubuntu section. By clicking Ctrl Alt and T, we can open the terminal. Now copy the first command line and paste in the terminal, then enter your password. The shortcut for paste is Ctrl-Shift-V. Now go on with the next command lines and select the line and copy the line by clicking Ctrl-C and return to the terminal. Press Ctrl-Shift-V keys. We need to update the package cache by enter sudo apt update now. So we can copy it or we can enter it. This time I will type the command line and it will take a few seconds again. After installing all the packages, we can install the Unity Hub now. It will take a bit, but when it's done, we open the Finder and we'll see the Unity Hub icon. Let's click in. Before we can use the Unity, we need to create an account to get a license. Let's create by clicking the link. A new page in the browser will pop up and we have the choice between login by phone or email. We prefer the email login. Now fill the forms and Unity will send us a confirmation email. Go to your mail inbox and open the mail, then click the confirmation link and we can go on. The next step is installing Microsoft VS Code. What is VS Code? VS Code is a Visual Studio Code. First, go in the App Store, search for VS Code, download that. We have already installed. After the installing, open VS Code and click on the Extensions button and search for C#. Install that. Now it's done. Let's go on with Microsoft.NET. Go in the browser and search for .NET Hello World. Click on download and install the link. Then install .NET Core SDK. Scroll down to Ubuntu. Click to install link. In the new page, scroll down again to your version of your system. Ours is 21st10. We need to install the net SDK packages. Once more again, copy the command lines, then open the terminal by Ctrl Alt and T shortcuts. Pass the command line by Ctrl Shift and V. The same procedure with the other command lines. Once again for the net SDK packages. When it's done, we need to install Mono project. Let's go in the browser and search for Mono project. Click on the download button. So we want to download the Linux version. First of all, we need to install the certificate, then the key, then the repository, then the update. When it's done, we can install Mono. It can take few minutes, up to your CPU speed. What is a Mono project? Unity is based on C#. At this time, in the early days, there was Microsoft.NET the only technology. There was a project named Mono for the crossover platform. Nowadays, .NET became a crossover platform. Unity still relies on Mono, so we still need to install Mono too. Now let's get back to Unity. Go on the App Store and click the Unity Hub icon. A welcome window pop up, and this time we need to install the editor. So let's install the editor after agreeing the terms not to exceed the $100K per year. It may take a while. Let's jump it when it's done. Bang, bomb, boom. Once the installation is completed, we can click on the project icon and make a new project. The app shows a few options like sample, learning, or all templates mode. We can click a bit around to check what Unity is offering, 3D or 3D samples and cores, for examples. Let's create a 2D sample in the 2D core by clicking Create Project. It takes a few more seconds or minutes to get in the editor, and when we are inside the editor, we should test everything is working properly. In Unity, click the Edit icon to get in Preferences. Then click on External Tools. We want to browse for visual code, but we don't know where it is. So let's get back into the terminal and type the code to run VS Code from the command line. It seems to work, but for locating it we type which code. It will pop up the path/snap/bin/code. Back in Unity, we browse for the given path. It's supposed in snap, bin, and click on code. Well done! Now we can close the window. We need to test everything is working properly. You can go in the browser and seeking for PNGs or images, but I already have our own located. Let's create a folder and name it, for example, sprites. Drag it here, add the script, go in assets, there you can see it. So let's make a folder named script and drag the file in by double click. Visual code should pop up. And now we try to write a message like debug.log hello new planet, it's my world. Let's jump back in the Unity editor and compile it by clicking the console item and click on the play button. Voila, it works! So, have fun with Unity. If you want to watch more videos like this, write your suggestions in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a hook and thumb up, and see you soon, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.